Hi, how can I help you? I would like coffee without sugar, please. All right, what would you like? Could I have a hot cappuccino, please? Could I get a low-sugar mocha, please? I'll have a latte with extra sugar, please. Can I have a takeaway espresso, please? A hot medium Americano, please. Can I have a cold double shot Americano, please? I'd like 2 hot large low-fat latte, please. Could I get a mocha with extra whipped cream? Is it for pickup? Yes. For pickup, please. What do you like to order? I'd like coffee with extra sugar, please. Is that everything for today? So your total comes to $25. Would you like to pay by cash or credit card? Here is your change. And it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Is it for here or to go, sir? For here, please. A low-sugar mocha would be good. Can I have a name for the order? Here you go, sir. The straws are over there. It's $43 from $50. $7 is your change. Would you like a receipt today?